Welcome to Dazzling Paws Jewelry. I'm your host, Myra Westfall, and the designer of the Dazzling Paws Jewelry brand. Today we're going to talk to you about earring backs. If you've ever had a pair of earring backs and you put them on and they fell off, or you couldn't get them on, today we're going to teach you two quick ways to fix those earring backs. Come on in and we'll show you how to fix them. First of all, we're going to start by showing you just some of the basics to the earring back so you can understand the mechanism. What this is, we're going to start by, ever have one of these? Okay, we're going to start by showing you the back of the earring has got like a wing, and what's happening is it's actually too wide. It needs to get closer. So all you need is a simple pair of pliers, one that's flat on the inside. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these earring backs and we are going to tighten that simple two pieces of metal and bring them together. Okay, then we're going to grab your earring and we're going to retest them. And you see, there we go, simple fix. All you needed to do was take a pair of pliers and just apply some pressure. Next, have you ever had a pair of earring back? You can't get the guy on, before you know it you bend the post or you break the post off. That's happened to me. Okay, what's happening with this earring back is the hole needs to be drilled a little bit tighter, and if you can see these little wing backs, they're right next to each other. So those two little guys are right next to each other. They're not allowing the stem of the post to go through. All you need is a simple tack, and what we're going to do is we're going to take that tack and we're going to drill in. I'm going to apply some pressure, and I'm going to use kind of a drilling motion, and I'm going to widen up that hole, and I'm going to push it through. Now I haven't pushed it through all the way because I don't see it at the other end, so I'm going to apply a little bit more pressure. Okay, and then I'm going to test it with my earring back. Nope, hasn't applied enough, so we're going to actually grab some more thumbtack pressure, and we're going to apply it. We've actually gone through it, so I'm going to actually pull it back out and see if I've opened it up wide enough or too wide, because sometimes you can apply a tack, it'll be too wide. There we go, that works. Too simple, easy fix. If you have any questions, visit our website at dazzlingpawsjewelry.com or comment down below and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.